Assalam-o-Alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous lecture we studied data presentation. Today we learned about measures of central tendency, which is very important concept in statistics. What is central tendency? Central tendency refers to a single value that represents the whole data set. In simple definition, it is a value around which all data points are centered. सेंटर टेंडेंसी का मतलब होता है एक ऐसी वैल्यू जो पूरे डाटा को क्या करे, रिप्रेजेंट करे. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, एक ऐसी वैल्यू जो बताए कि डाटा का सेंटर क्या है. एंड नाउ मूव टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटर टेंडेंसी. देयर आर थ्री मेन मेजर्स: मीन, मीडियन एंड मोड. Mean is also known as average. Mean is the sum of all values divided by the total number of values. मीन तमाम वैल्यूज़ का क्या होता है, हमारे पास सम, जो टोटल वैल्यूज़ की तादाद से डिवाइड किया जाता है. अगर हम इसका फार्मूला देखें तो मीन हमारे पास होगा मीन इंटू सम ऑफ ऑल वैल्यूज़ डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज़. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट्स टेक वैल्यूज़ 2, 4 and 6. द मीन इज दैट 2 + 4 + 6 divided by 3. The answer is 4. Now move to median. मीडियन इज द मिड वैल्यू ऑफ द डाटा सेट व्हेन अरेंज्ड इन ऑर्डर. मीडियन वो वैल्यू होती है जो हमारी डाटा के मिड में आती है. अरेंज डाटा इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, फाइंड द मिडल वैल्यू. These are the steps to find out the median. For example, if we have odd numbers 1, 3 and 5, the median is 3. Middle value is 3. The median is 3. And if we have even values 2, 4, 6 and 8, we will find out the median is 4 plus 6 divided by 2. The answer is that the median is that 5. Its mean our median is 5. Now move to the topic mode. And mode is the value that occur most frequently in the data set. मोड वो वैल्यू होती है जो सबसे ज़्यादा डाटा में रिपीट हो, वो वैल्यूज़ होती है. For example, 2, 3, 3 and 5, the mode is that 3 because it appears most often. If we have to take short comparison between mean, median and mode, the mean is average of the data, median is middle value of the data, and mode is the most repeated value in the given data. Now we will solve numerical problems and understand how to apply these concepts in real situations. Now, first read the question. Find the mean of the following values: 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here we have to find the mean. We know that the formula of mean is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Now let's calculate the sum. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 20, and divided by total number of values are 4, so the answer is 5. Okay, question number 2, median. And median, find odd numbers. Find the median of 3, 1 and 5. First we arrange the data in ascending order. Now the arranged data is 1, 3 and 5. Since the number of values is odd, the middle value is the median. So the 3 is our median. The median of even numbers are: find the median of 2, 4, 6 and 8. Already arranged the data in ascending order. So now the middle values are 4 and 6. First we add them and divide it by 2. 4 plus 6 divided by 2. The median is 5. Find the mode of the given data. We already know about mode is the value that appear most frequently in the given set of data. So the data is 2, 3, 3, 5 and 6. Most repeated value are 3. The mode is 3. Now move to the next question. Find mean, median and mode. Combined practice. Find mean, median and mode. 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4. Solution is that Mean is equal to sum of all the values divided by number of total values. So the sum of all values are 12. Total number of values are 5. So the answer is 2.4. Now we can see that the data is already arranged in ascending order. The median is at 2 and the mode is most repeated value in the given set of data are 2. Today we learn mean, median and mode and solve numerical problems based on these concepts. In the next lecture, we will learn about how to find mean for group data. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.